This is the Daily 2.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily 2. It's not every day you choose to replace your home's doors and windows, so it's smart to choose a company you can trust. Fortunately, Ted and Jonathan with Infinity from Marvin by North Georgia Replacement Windows are here to help. How is Infinity from Marvin by North Georgia Replacement Windows making window shopping simple for homeowners?
Well, Shannon, from the consultation all the way through the installation, our goal is to always do the right thing. We provide quick, accurate proposals without pressure or pricing games. We want to make sure this is a stress-free experience.
What are the top 3 advantages that your Infinity fiberglass windows offer?
These windows are beautiful, not big and bulky like most replacement windows, and the strength of our Infinity fiberglass windows allow for narrow frames, which means brightening your home with more daylight and bigger views. Plus, the durability of our window material, Ultrex fiberglass, outperforms all others, especially in the harsh Georgia climate. So the beauty, the views, and the durability.
Why do you say that this is a decision you'll only need to make once?
We've offered almost every other window type in the past: wood-clad, PVC, composite, vinyl, plastic windows, and we've experienced and seen the problems with those windows. Infinity fiberglass windows are engineered to last. Plus, they're backed by a limited lifetime product and service warranty.
What types of offers or special incentives do you have for homeowners looking to replace their doors or windows this year?
For our most up-to-date offers, please visit our specials section of our website. In addition to these discounts, we also have partnered with some finance companies for some flexible payment options. This will help make our windows and doors more affordable for everyone.
Ted, Jonathan, thank you so much for telling us about the benefits of Infinity fiberglass from North Georgia Replacement Windows. I'm Shannon Walsh with the Daily 2.